Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some super simple smartphone tips, perfect for beginners. Smartphones can seem overwhelming, but trust me, they're designed to be user-friendly. Let's break down some easy-to-follow tips to make your smartphone experience smoother. First up, let's talk about the home screen. This is your command center. You can customize it by long pressing on an empty space to change the wallpaper, add widgets for quick access to information, and organize your apps into folders. Keeping things tidy makes it much easier to find what you need. Next, the notification center. Swipe down from the top of your screen to see your notifications. You can quickly view messages, emails, and app alerts. Swipe left or right on a notification to manage it. Dismiss it, or go directly to the app that sent it. Don't let those notifications overwhelm you, stay in control. Now, let's move on to settings. This is where you tweak everything. You can adjust the brightness of your screen, change the volume, and manage your phone's battery usage. In the settings, you'll also find options for your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data, so you can control your connectivity. Another handy tip is using the search function. Whether you're looking for a specific setting, a contact, or an app, just use the search bar at the top of the settings or your app drawer. It's a huge time saver. Similarly, learn how to use the back and home buttons or gestures. These are crucial for navigating your phone. Let's explore some basic app usage. When you open an app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. Most apps have intuitive navigation, with menus usually found at the top or bottom of the screen. Pay attention to the icons and learn what they do. Practice makes perfect. Then, there's the camera. Smartphones have amazing cameras. To take a photo, open the camera app and tap the shutter button. You can switch between the front and rear cameras. Adjust the settings for better shots, and explore different modes like panorama and portrait. Experiment and have fun. Finally, let's talk about keeping your phone secure. Set up a strong password, PIN, or use biometric authentication, like a fingerprint or face unlock. Also, regularly update your phone's software and apps to protect against security vulnerabilities. And always be cautious of suspicious links or downloads. So, there you have it, some easy smartphone tips for beginners. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering your smartphone. Don't be afraid to experiment, explore, and learn. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips.